to wrestle with a problem.
They're basically built like a sumo wrestler. They have this really wide behind with a really low center of gravity.
What would them raccoons just took out a guitar and he just started playing and was like, yeah!
In many cases, I'm sure much greater.
That would never happen though.
The raccoons that are learning how to solve some of these technical problems faster are probably the ones that are reproducing more.
The doorbell! I thought we were best friends, Ash. I thought you were my best friend. To think you would betray me like that, that's too quick. Actually, can you zoom out a little bit? You betrayed me. I'm calling the police. Police! Who did this? I was learning about raccoons! You will burn for making me forget about raccoons! I should teach you. Oh. Why, what could this be? The raccoon gods have answered my call. Why, what could this be? Tell me you've got it. Imagine me and you, I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the amiibo you love and hold it tight. So happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. 'Cause when you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. Oh my god, this is such a terrible dub. Oh my god, I can't even believe I tried to dub that. Why didn't I just sing it? I could have done that easily on the spot. What's wrong with me? I don't know. I'm just gonna fuck you. I'm gonna go eat some Cheetos. What a wonderful day we had today, Shulk. I just had so much fun. You know what we should do? We should sit back, watch some sick raccoon documentaries.
I'm really feeling it!
What if they gave one of those raccoons a machine gun and made him a tech genius? That would never happen.
Raccoons build on their knowledge. Once they figure out one garbage can, they can generalize another garbage can.
Excuse me?
Hi.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you could tell me just why in the hell you threw this sick Hulk doll across the room.
Wait, you called the cops because I went to answer the door? He isn't any regular cop. So then what are you?
I am an officer of the Feelings Police. What, never seen such manliness before?
What the hell is the Feelings Police?
Oh, well, we are a department of the police. We focus on crimes where people hurt their friends' feelings.
There is no way that's a thing.
Oh, it's a thing.
That is not a thing.
It's a thing!
Jesus Christ, dude, calm down!
No, I need to do my job. And that is punishing people like you who hurt other people's feelings.
Hurt people's feelings? Whose feelings did I hurt? Oh dear God, sick Hulk doll! I'm so sorry! Really? I'm sorry, I didn't know that you didn't like getting hurled across the room with fast furiousness. But, you left me for him. You think I left you for a Shulk amiibo? He cost $35. I only costed $9. You were obviously trying to replace me. Hulk, I could never replace you. You're so sick. Like, seriously, the sickest. I got Shulk so we could create that rock trio we always wanted to start. We could become the Rush of guys. Is this true, Shulk?
I'm really feeling it!
Then let's do it. Dreamweaver, I'm believing in me through the night.
Oh, so you think you can just get off scot-free then?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, too bad. You can't go unpunished for your crime.
But Hulk and I made up.
Grr! No!
What are you doing? Let him go, you fiend!
No, he must pay. One way or another.
Okay. I'll do whatever you want. Just please don't hurt him. What do you want from me? Oh God, no! I'll do anything! I will do anything, just not this. This is evil.
This is your punishment. Accept it.
No, I'll do anything. I'll do anything. Please, I'll do anything.
Accept it.
I will suck your dick.
Just do it.
Let's take a walk through hell, shall we? All right, dickbag, I did my part. Now you let my friend go!
No.
Excuse me, jerk-off? You said if I watched that terrible piece of trash, you would give me my friend back. Now you're not, and you know what? That's illegal, bitch. If you are a police officer, you of all people should know the laws of...
I don't care, for I am no police officer of the law.
I knew the feelings police wasn't a thing. Wait a minute. If you're not a cop, what are you?
My true name is Keanu Galately, and I am a collector of sick Hulk dolls. And I'm here to steal this sick Hulk doll from you because it's so sick. Look at his abs! Look at his legs! I want to play with him in a Starbucks parking lot in the middle of the afternoon.
That's oddly specific.
This sick Hulk doll is mine.
Hey, give me my sick Hulk doll back.
Oh, sure.
Really?
Yeah, when pigs fly. Oh.
Shulk, now! Time for a chain attack! Kame! Hame! Ha!
This is the Monado's power!
Hulk! Smash! Yay! We're best friends again. You know what we should do, guys? We should watch a sick nature documentary about the raccoons. They're a very interesting animal. Nothing will ever come between us again, no matter how sick.
Showtime!
Now that is sick.
What if one of them raccoons just took out a guitar and he just started playing like... And then just... someone threw a deep...
You can see your hand in the shot.
What? That makes me want to do like one of those shots where it's like... You know, like it's just different cuts of the same shit.
And one of them is your hand going...
Yeah. And I just want me going... Oh. Yeah.
Oh my god. That's perfect. You